don't know how. Let me see. Wait a minute. Something about. Okay. So it's not deep at all right here. Not deep at all. Now, it could be a piece of concrete on this side that's kind of hitting off from the wind, maybe. There we go, you guys. Little bass. Okay, these little things here, I've been catching these like crazy. So if this is a sign of the bass telling me to leave them alone, don't worry about them. Is that what it is? The bass telling me to leave them alone? Well, I was thinking the crappie should be all over there. I am very shocked. I ain't gonna hit this. Okay, you guys, I got something big, you guys. Let me get out here on the opening. Got something big, probably a bass. Probably a bass. I got, ooh, that's probably a monster bass. I'm gonna get my net here, but I'm gonna get out in the opening here. It's something big here, you guys. Get my net. There's something big, you guys. He's dragging. He's setting drag. Could be. It's a bass. It is a bass for sure. It's a good bass too. A bass or a big old catfish, whatever it is. But he good as caught now. Cause I'm in the open now. That's a big old catfish. Big old catfish. Let me turn them around. Ooh, them catfish are strong, you guys. Them catfish are strong. Come on up. Pretty catfish too. Come on up. You good. There you go. Everybody say you done. You done, brother. Whew. Oh man. It's a nice catfish. Alright, nice catfish. Alright. So I got a catfish in that hole. And I'm thinking I should have got me. Ooh, that's a nice catfish. I mean, a nice one. All right, China cat, pretty China cat, you guys. Let me get the jig loose. If I brought my, oh yeah, I brought them. Let me get the jig loose first. There we go. They got a hard mouth, I ain't gonna lie to you. So I ain't used to be trying my way just going. There you go, you guys. Hold on. You gotta be careful with those fins. That joke almost got me. Pretty though. I mean, pretty. You almost got me, didn't you? You almost got me, didn't you? You almost got me, didn't you? There we go. There we go. Come down. you get them right behind that head, and you put that gorilla lock on them for them deadlift, he ain't going nowhere. He ain't going nowhere. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna weigh it. Zeros. I'll say about 4 pounds. So we go 0. So 3 pounds. 3 pounds on the dot, you guys. 3 pound catfish, China cat. And he gets to go back in. I'm not gonna keep him. So pretty, real pretty. He gets to go back in, okay? Here we go. Good release. He's gone. Oh, he slapped my boat one last time. Ha! All right, let's get back over there. Let's get back over there and see if we can get on another one. See if we can get some crappies. So right here by this concrete before I get out of here. Yep, in my bluegill or something. Get back over there. Yeah, them bluegill for sure. When that drain holder got me a bass, you guys, real quick. Bam, you. There we go. That's a good spot right there. If they were there, that's where they would be. If they was there, that's where they would be, you guys. Ooh. Well, when I caught a bass reeling in right by the water. I don't know if you guys saw that, but I literally caught a bass bringing the jig in. That show you how fast a bass like stuff move. I was reeling that jig in real fast, and that bass just came and grabbed it right by the bank. Nice bass here. There you go. There you go, a nice bass, you guys, right by the bank. Go on back in. So what he hit, had a tip with a crappie nibble, and he hit the 1 8-ounce jig head with a blue and white tube right along the it's something biting right on the edge, you guys. And they could be crappies. Right literally on the edge. a bass. It's a bass. Boat flip. I was like, I'm throwing weight out there, and I kept feeling something like right on the edge. I'm like, just tapping at it, you know, like a little bitty fish. Yep, I do. Well, not really, not out here a lot.
How much do you catch whenever you come out?
Well, it's kind of hard now because, you know, we're getting out that rain and the water's dirty. So I don't really catch many bass. But last year was my first time finding this place. I got a buddy live over here. I came and fish with him. And last year we caught a lot. Like every time I come out, I catch like 5 or 6 bass. And I got a guy. I just cast down here. See if we'll catch anything. I normally catch baby crappies over here. Ooh, the water's down far. It's really, really down. All right, let's see. Nothing but. Okay. That's what it is. Told y'all little bitty bluegills. See? Little bitty bluegills you got back here. That's probably packed back here. Now you want to catch them little things, scale them, cook them whole. You catch about 10 or 20 of them. You got a meal. Cook some sides. And cook them whole. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy, you got a meal. Get a couple hand size and you only need about 4 or 5 of those to make a meal for. Ooh, you saw that? Oh, he broke my line. That was a big bass. Just that cheap line you guys was telling me about. That was a big bag. Came up and hit it. That was nice. So there's some big stuff back here. All right, we're back at it. See if something to break this. Hey, that wasn't no little fish neither that did that. Here we go, you guys. It's a good fish right here. It's probably a crappie. It's probably a big one. That's a bass. Big old bass too. I told you, you won't break this line. You won't break this line, brother. I guarantee this 10 pounds. It's about a 3 pound bass here. There you go, you guys. Bam. All right, you guys. I think that's bass number 3. Bass number 3. I missed one. Man, it's a good bass. Healthy bass. Probably a female. Full of eggs. She get to go back. I wish I can go down there and let her go real easy. But I'm about to toss her back, you guys. She'll be all right. She's gone.